Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another beautiful day. Thank you for joining us. I'm Andrew. This is Hidden Springs Homestead. But today, we're not on Hidden Springs Homestead. We're up here with our good friend Kevin up at Milgate Farms. He's got a lot of work to do, and he makes organic maple syrup. And he asked for some help. So we are going to go, see if I can show you up here, way up on that mountain, and we are going to cut some trees. As far as equipment goes, we're taking the old Husqvarna 440. I'm not going to do a review on this saw, guys, but I have cut tons and tons of firewood with this thing, and it has worked flawlessly every time. And I still have the original chain on this thing, and I have cut at least 10 cords of firewood with it. Yes. Well, thank you for joining us again as we come up again to help our friends Kevin. Remember, guys, we are called to love our neighbors as ourselves. So help. I love coming up here and help. This is therapy for me, and I'm sure Kevin enjoys the help as well. He's got a family of. Gabe's young.
Yeah,
but,
the kids can't do anything yet.
well, but mostly girls, and then you got you and Gabe. So
Yeah, we could use a couple more boys up here.
yeah,
But we're done. We're not getting any more kids. Nope.
us too, hopefully. But thanks for coming back. Thanks for all the comments. I really appreciate hearing where you're from. And as always, God bless you guys.
That's it. Was that your ending?
Yeah, I can't believe there's at least 4. I'm pretty sure there's a 5th deer up there.
I'm sure. Yeah.